Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It definitely depends with the time you'll be watching me. And this day today, it's another great day. I give much thanks to Almighty God for the blessings of life and also for the gift of this fresh air I'm breathing around here. Right here is my grandma's grave, her forever house. May her soul rest in peace, Grandma. You really cared for us since we were young up to now. I know you are with us. God bless you where you are, Grandma. And for this time, just live in peace. Because she used to be my number one hero. But Almighty God took her after long ailing of the seas. So at least she's relaxing. Oh, yeah, I'm proud of opportunity to taking you something. There's some fruits here that I always love. They're called tomato trees. I planted them on our land, and this is what you see. I also planted them on my favorite land down there. There are now 2 of them. So today, guys, I'll be taking you back to our land. We were to plant trees yesterday, but it was too sunny. So this morning, it will be the perfect time to plant what we call like those trees. Later, there's a time that I planted these trees around here, but goats never gave them peace. You see, they were very big, but this one was eaten by the goat. But I'll definitely try again and plant some here and protect them very well. On this line, we had a lot of them. I don't think there's even one surviving. None is surviving. Look at this. The moment a goat eats it, I was told that a goat has a certain saliva that acts like poison to the trees. The moment it eats it, most of these cypress trees, they are destroyed just like that. Anyway, guys, this is my beautiful home. I'm shooting this video from our home here in the morning before I proceed to our dreamland, and I want to check what's going on because that's my home. Safi bana. Those are people passing because you see, we have this main road that is over here, and this is our home. This is our home. You know, this is my parental home. Same way I bought land where there's a good main road like this one, a public road, and I have land just like this. So definitely that looks like a very good blessing. I wish before Grandma could have died, I could be staying with her to our dream home over there. Because she was my all-time doll, you know. Some days I'll paint this house, and just I'll be coming here once in a while, you know. This is our house. It's definitely a mud house, well renovated, well cared of, and yeah, so just like that all will be there. So let's proceed on the other side and check on what's going on around. Let me power this off. Manu, pick a chai. A minute, guys. Let me power this off. I have to power the car off before I proceed. Hapo fanya safi kwa nyumba. You know, my wife and my baby left, but not in a bad way. So, oh, these fruits have started again to grow. Yeah. It's my home, but I don't always come to check on it. Come on. They're called Zambarao. They always make this face dirty sometimes, but it's okay. So let me check on our project, on our long-term project. We had a project over here of bricks making. Joe, the guy thought that he has finished, but he hasn't. I even think they have stolen my are they there? Yeah, they are there. We started a brick making project, guys. We have like 10,000 bricks around here, as you see. They are not yet burnt, so I'll just put them on a kiln, burn them, then we can start a project. Maybe we can put the wall for one space, and then the rest. Oh, the dragon hit me. When we speak about dragon, we speak about this one. It's called dragons. I don't know, dragonfly what? It's a certain plant. It's called dragon plant. Yeah. These ones, when we used to go to look after animals, hey, you come home, your whole body is almost with those dragon plants. So this guy cheated me that he's coming, and because I'm always busy up and down, look, even the covers have grown this way. So I'll definitely employ one, come take off these covers, and then take the bricks in, and we stop there. You see, even the containers are here, the space is just like this. Oh my god. Sometimes the problem was that I paid him fully, because when he reached almost 10,000, he told me, now boss, kindly, I have a problem, pay me all the money, I want to take my wife to the hospital, then the rest, me, I just work for you. I'm not a guy with corner. So he disappeared after that. After I paid him, he only came once. You know, sometimes people take advantage of me, sometimes, but I'm like, okay, this is life. One day things will come out well, you know? But I don't know, it's because of my heart or whatever, but it's okay. Even nowadays, I just told people, like, if you want me to monetize for your channel, because sometimes people try it in a wrong way, and then because they know Claude will help, but they try on their own because they don't want to bring even that $20 to me. Sometimes I used to charge $10, and to a point where I said it's $20. So they say, that $20 is much. I can do it on my own. Then they make it bad. Now I charge them $100. To be honest, because that's a lot of time. So let me go. There's a certain place I wanna go to my land. After my land, then we see how things will be going, you know. So welcome here. And also guys, we are selling duvets. You saw our new shop, which is not yet complete. Let me fix this here. You saw a new shop which is not yet complete, so we are really trying our best so that we can put up that shop, and maybe we can be shipping things to you. You know, even our duvets are very unique, and not the duvets that sometimes you can put them on one side, you wash and then they hang one side. No, those are very nice flex duvets. They are very nice duvets, very nice duvets that even you can stay with them almost 2 decades without even them getting spoiled. Yeah. True story. My phone was like, you know. True story, guys. I think now the Bluetooth will be connected. So I'm moving from home. I want to help someone at my farm there to do some stuff, and then later on I'll be proceeding to somewhere. Oh no, that's our Viking gate. This is my brother's incomplete house. So some days when I'll get money, definitely help him get out of that. But sometimes finance, it's a crazy task, you know? Yeah, thank God for me having you as a family, guys, because the little I get from you watching our videos, I'm forever grateful with it. You know, forever grateful. Yeah, this is our junction. This guy's going to church. Let's proceed. Just slowly. Then we'll be seeing what's going on around. So everyone, slowly. The things goes on very well, without any problem. You know, sometimes when yes, I always believe that good things takes time. And through that, sometimes things happen in a bad way, you know. Tango tag-isipan na. Wow. Tango tag-isipan. So guys, I just arrived on this site, so let's proceed and check on what's going on around. We're heading to Nyabohanse, and then direct to my farm. Then we see what's going on. It's early morning. Mostly we always wake up early in the morning to just try if we can get our ends meet. At this time of the morning, of the hour. And also today is a market day, an animal market day, which is on a Sunday. You definitely see a lot of animals sometimes from people taking them to the other side. These are Voxy and Alphard, nice cars. On my left side, you definitely see a very nice home that has been surrounded by trees that I've planted. So I wanted it to be like this. Check on that end, like very nice, like it's sort of protection, and also not too much eyes peeping. So we are almost in Nyabohanse in like 2 minutes from my home, and that's how things are going. Just slowly. Definitely, I believe all will be well, just slowly. It's a matter of time. Sometimes people say, oh, Claude, you are this. Oh, CJ, you are this. I just look at them and say, okay, it's fine. Sometimes things will be better. You're right. Those are people from Nairobi now. They're just arriving. Alright. So we are heading to our farm. Alright guys, see you. Yeah guys, so I just arrived on this parcel of land of ours, which is an everyday activity that I always show you here. And another good news is I've received a call. I've sold 2 duvets. Thank you so much, subscribers, for always coming back, for supporting our business. I showed you the other time about that we have a shop. So please shop with us. For now, I'm having a mobile shop. Let me wipe. I'm having a mobile shop, which is this car, and it's our farm car that we always use to bring maybe materials around here, to bring fertilizer. So now it's also I usually do hiring of the car. If maybe you pay a visit at our place here, and you want a driver, you want somebody who can take you around, I recommend myself as a good driver. Also, if you're a driver and you want a car, there's here. Can hide for you, take you wherever you want. So to make the long story short, I've sold 2 duvets, this white cotton and this one. I want to take it to the washing machine, and I think one day I just own my own washing machine, and there's commercial dryers and washing machines. Please pray for me guys, so that we can expand this business. Sometimes this YouTube has really connected us with you guys, and also you can also advise me well accordingly, because my plan is I can also have a very big commercial place where I can be earning something by the end of the month or daily, as we have started this shop, but it's not yet complete. So when it's complete, we can also have our own drying washing machines, because over here, to be honest, it's the friend of mine that has it, and also he has relocated from the place where we were, because people have been stealing, what we call like his stuff. He used to have an empress and some small stuffs, so some people were stealing from him. So I think he wanted to collapse the business and shift it to somebody else, somewhere elsewhere. No, like around here, to be honest, most people struggle to wash heavy blankets like this or heavy duvets like this with their hands. Sometimes they even don't dry up well. So it's a good opportunity for us also to shift into these washing machines, which is a very good opportunity. If I wish I had money, I could have really installed it, and the project would be going on well. And it comes hand in hand when we're having this kind of a project. When you buy a duvet like this, we wash it for you, so there's some extra money that you leave apart from the duvet money, so that we wash it for you. Anyway guys, I'll be also taking you there so that we can go wash, because these are fine linen as you see, and the prices are very pocket friendly, so you can definitely do what you call like DM me at the description point down below. There's my WhatsApp number, and also my WhatsApp number I can give it to you here. It's +254 745 396 127, +254 745 396 127. And also we have the one that was very old number. It's +254 758 143 105, +254 758 10. What did I say? +254 758 143 105. Yeah, just direct messages and I can ship that blanket for you. And if you wish to buy for a certain YouTuber here or a family, I'll just deliver it, guys. The prices are very nice, you know. So yeah, also our kills today, our boy around here was trying to pluck these ones. You see these ones, how they have been destroyed. They have been really destroyed. But he was like, he want to give it to the cow, and so he was doing some cleaning on the kills, cleaning. And I'm happy that yesterday we bought some trees which are this, and we want to plant them. Tata, say something, man. Salimia watu.
Hi.
Yes, how are you?
How are you? My name is
Alois Mwita.
Yes.
How is life going? Maisha yanaenda aje?
Maisha ni good.
Ni good tu mdogo. Guys, this is Alois. He's a good friend of ours, and I regard him as a family too, because he's taking care of this area, apart from Anderico, because Anderico is not reliable. But this young man is a very reliable. I wish like when things goes on well with me, I'll be really changing his life also, slowly by slowly. So Tata, bring the jembe. We see how we can try to plant these trees around here. So ama tukunywe chai kwanza, na hisi njaa hata mimi. So guys, we prepared tea. Kuja tuoneshe chai venye nini. So guys, in here on Tuesday, starting from Tuesday, we'll be having our doors, and I'm really grateful that I received a big surprise from USA. May Almighty God bless you for those who have really supported me towards this. We buy like windows, and then yeah, windows was about to $250. So already I received like $100. I fixed like windows, and then for cementing, we also start the cementing maybe tomorrow. But tomorrow will be a Monday. We'll start be doing like putting the maram first on this to smear it, and then the cementing will be going on well. So we already have cements, like 10 cements, and then all will be well. So we are having black tea. Yes, this is black tea. Yeah, hakuna mandazi bana. Si nini hapo tungeteta mandazi. Hata kwa one pale hakuna.
Ndio
ameendea kwa one. Mandazi guys, black tea with mandazi. It's a nice, great breakfast. Very sweet. Wow. One thing I love about this area is it's very cool and quiet. Very cool. Yesterday this young man was doing some cleaning around here, so that at least we can be having a space, you know. So pole guys, we'll be smearing this and we'll be making it somewhere nice. I definitely want to plant this tree somewhere. It's a shade tree. This one. Tata hii mti tutaipanda wapi? Ya kivuli. No, hii kubwa. Tutaipanda hata hapa katikati, si ndio? tuone ama tuipande huko chini. Want to create some space somewhere. Shika wima. Because there's always what we call like these kids one day will just go downwards because I want to create something like a shade. Definitely plant it. I want to take here a tree. This big. Ibuke mwagilie maji. Na mtu anapiga hapa sasa. Nimechi. So, this tree. Special guest. I'm planting this tree in remembrance of the struggle and everything you know. Yeah? I'll be remembering this tree for the struggle of the past 4 to 5 days without sleep, up and down. May this tree bring more blessings to the land and more good life. Just like that. So this one, when it grows down, definitely make a shade here. Very nice shade. You can be sitting around. There's a space here. I want to dig some holes. Then we see how we plant these trees. Right, so we are planting them here so that we can create a very nice environment all along. You know? Very nice. we don't plant those trees here, that. So I'm done digging the holes. So let me bring the trees, called the cypresses trees. Then we start planting them over there. Sure. We can start planting them. Then later on, we'll be adding what do you call like we'll be adding some tired, but it's okay. Yeah. Alright. So guys, we are going, and this is what you see. They have trees all along. Every hole. Then start doing what you call it, planting. Guys, what you see is doing what you call like watering. I'm done with this, so let me take what you call like the blanket to the border town so that they can be washed and all will be well. It's slowly but slowly, guys. Look at my hands, very dirty. That all will be well. Neighbors have started to come and fetch water from my bowl. It's not bad. It's cool. Alright. So guys, I just arrived here and definitely I wanna do some delivery of this. There were two, definitely. This one and this one. Oh. So I wanna do the cleaning and later on deliver them somewhere else. So my friend just came on this side. Howdy. Howdy. Oh. My friend decided to shift to this side again, you know. So I don't know. Howdy. Ako. Alright, so I need this one to be washed. There are two. I don't know what has happened with this. But one camera. Oh, it was just a line. It was just a line of weakness. No problem. Yeah. It's okay. So I need you to wash them well. Dry them. Maybe by Sakumi. At what time? Tomorrow? Okay, it's good now. So wash them. Then anajua too how I used to do this. Then yeah. Alright, so guys, I just dropped them here and then yeah, it's a nice place. We just came over here and later on I'll just try to go now do the bathing because yesterday there's something here that happened very wrong. See the line of weaknesses, and this is the car that takes us around. Despite that it's being a farm car, I don't like it to be this way, so I have to I have to do it to clean it well. Alright guys, alright, let's go do bathing and all will be well. Alright, so guys, we are heading back to a certain garage so that I can do the cleaning of this car and also do some other stuffs, you know, continue with our vlog. I'll show you how the bathing is being made, because you know sometimes you have to maintain your machine for it also to maintain you. But there are some people who always, well, since they bought the car, it's just like that, you know, so it depreciates its value. So it's better you keep it clean and all the time maintaining it, you know, by doing the right service, making the right decision of what to do and what to make. That sometimes saves your machine. Like, you won't be incurring much expenses sometimes when working on it. So like this, it has served me well, both me and the family. It has really saved us very well. This is the junction you have to make a stop. Let us just proceed downwards, and it's just normal and very great. You know, mostly sometimes when you do the bathing, it really maintains, and even somebody can look at your car like, hey, this is the best, despite it being called the worst cars. But it's the best. I don't know why people just destroy Probox anyhow, because they regard them as they always regard these Proboxes as worst cars. But it's one of the best cars. I do love them because easy to maintain, very nice. There's a small traffic here. Let's see how it's going on. Yeah, because they're always easy to maintain, and yeah. But this old shape Probox like mine, sometimes the consumption is high a little bit, but we try. So I want to go this side. I want to see this guy. He's a good friend of mine. But there's a lot of cars here. Where today work on this. I had to bring it on the car wash, and that's what you see. It has become very clean and nice. And yeah, so I want to end this video here. It's late time because I went also for haircut. But I want to say thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Subscribe if you are new, like, share, and do a comment. Let's meet to the next amazing vlog. Bye.